Welcome to SSC College of Arts and Commerce, Ulhasnagar 4. We are here on the digital platform for teaching and learning, Edupedia. Myself, Assistant Professor Komal Kamra. Today we are going to discuss a topic coming from MCom Part 2, Semester 4, Specialization E-Commerce, and the course name is Management Information System, and our today's topic is Introduction to MIS, that is Introduction to Management Information System, Module 1st. Here we go. Information systems. Why do people need information? What's the reason? What if we don't get information? There are basic two reasons why do people search for scratch for information. One is for the purpose of entertainment, keeping them entertained, and enlightenment, that is upgrading their knowledge and enlightening their lifestyles. Another is business. For business purpose, people need to seek information for the purpose of right decisions making at the right place at the right time, in problem solving, and of course controlling all the managerial or business activities or execution of plans into reality. Information is sought. Now let us try and understand what are the different concepts or what are the basic differences of the term data and information. Here data is a given or a fact, a number, a statistical figure or statement or a picture. It can also be in the form of something in the real world, the raw material in the production of information which is being processed, analyzed, and ultimately it gets turned into a productive, useful information. So information means data, that data which have a meaning with a context, with a relevance. Data in relationship to a particular problem, in relationship to a particular thing. Data after manipulation. That means when data is being processed, it gets converted or it takes the form of information which is ready to use. Now another thing is data manipulation. What do you mean by the term data manipulation? When we are collecting data, organizing data, processing data, analyzing data, interpreting data, and drawing certain conclusions for the purpose of benefits or solution to certain problems is called as data manipulation. Here data is being manipulated for the target. Other than generating information, very important area, we need to generate information. Here when we are talking on the lines of MIS, definitely information systems which are technologically driven are the backbone for MIS. But let us try and understand what is it exactly, or the basics are coming for generating information. Computer based information systems take data as raw materials, process automatically, and produce a useful information as an output. Here in the diagram we can see input into the PC, process within the PC, output may be in the form of picture or a pictorial or a graphical or analytical charts, etc. Data may be received in the form of a printed form. Data after process can be screened on the monitor as well as resulting into a graphical analysis in the form of graph, pie diagrams, bar diagrams, and many more. Now data, information in systems, information in context. Here information in context is relevant to the information related to the topic, must be complete, must be correct, must be valid, and must be useful. Next is what is a system. We will be talking on the lines of MIS, Management Information System. We all have understood what exactly the management is through various areas. We have understood now what the information is. Now let us try and understand how systems can be connected with information. So what is a system? System is a set of components that work together to achieve a common goal. Subsystems. One part of the system where the products of more than one system are combined to reach an ultimate goal. Closed system, stand-alone system that has no contact with other systems. That means working independently, individually. Open system, system that interfaces with other systems, that is openly connected with other systems, merged with other systems. Now again, under the area data information and systems, Sigma company's accounting system is being displayed in this particular by this image. What do we owe? What do we have? What do we need? What owes us? Where do we belong to? What belongs to us? What is the status? What are the problematic areas? Everything. Several subsystems make up this corporate accounting system, because when we are talking on the lines of a corporate information system or accounting system, it has to get connected, coordinated, or we can say integrated management system. Another area is information and managers. Why information is useful to managers? Systems thinking. Manpower, managers, they need to think over certain targets, plans, achievement, failures, solutions. So they need a system. Systems thinking creates a framework for problem solving and decision making. It keeps manager focused on overall goals and operations of the business. Now, in this chart, we can see how human beings undergo the thinking process and take the help of computer as a very important MDSS. Here MDSS is related to Management Decision Support System. In today's technological and corporate world, when we are making the use of information technology, computers, internet for the purpose of generating information, using information, that is being treated as Management Decision Support System, because it is one of very strong backbones supporting decisions of a manager. So here qualities of humans and computers that contribute to synergy. Synergy means the combined energy. Manpower, information system power. Combinedly can give us better MDSS. Now, the benefits of human-computer synergy. There are always benefits. Man has made machine, but if machine is supporting human beings, then it is a good pair. When combined resources produce output that exceeds the sum of the outputs of the same resources employed separately. Two resources giving different outputs being combined and gives the best results. Allows human thought to be translated into efficient processing of large amounts of data. Here, when human brain is undergoing the thought process, designing process, or imaginary process, or dreams about the future goals, how to be achieved, mainly in designing in scripts, so they can convert those with the help of availability of information and data through information systems or information technology. This is the 4 stages of data processing. We need to process the data. How to process? First we need to collect input. That is, data is collected and entered into the computer. That is the first basic, very much essential step which moves on the lines of data processing. Second is data processing. After collecting an entry of data into the computer, it is being processed. Data is being manipulated into a useful information using mathematical, statistical, other tools and many more things. Then it gets turned into output. Information is displayed on monitor or is being presented in one or the another way, in soft form or in the printed form. Storage, data and information are maintained for the later use by giving them suitable or relevant file names, folder names or PDFs which we are using in our daily lives. Now the question arises, why one needs to study information system? Why it is essential? Of course it is essential. System analysts, information system careers, specialist in enterprise resource planning, ERP. Enterprise resource planning is one of a very important and to be accurate ERP, that is backbone to the resource planning for the businesses. Database administrators, telecommunication specialists, consulting, all these are the people who occupy one or the another career in information systems, and they've got a very good bright future and we can say a good career. Knowledge workers, managers and non-managers, they are the knowledge workers. They work on the basis of knowledge accumulated by the information system careers. Employers seek computer literate professionals who know how to use information technology. These is nobody is appointing people or selecting the people who have no knowledge of technology. To some extent, everybody possesses the knowledge of technology via using mobiles or internet or any other systems, MacBooks or laptops or computers. Computer literacy replacing traditional literacy. Days have gone where manual work was being appreciated. It used to take long hours to complete one simple sheet. Now it has got converted into the Western society, and key to the full participation is based on the information system careers or the information systems availability with the help of internet and technology. Now there are certain ethical and societal issues, the not so bright side of information systems. That means we can say the cons, the drawbacks, the darker side, consumer privacy. It has been observed usage of excess or continuous or non-stop usage of information technology or IS, that is information systems. Companies or organizations are collecting via different, we can say by hook or crook, they are generating the data of the individuals or the consumers, prospective buyers, and that is definitely intervening the consumer privacy. Another is employee privacy. Here employees, IT supporters, remote monitoring of employees, violating privacy and creating stress for themselves, stress for others. Next is the freedom of speech. People do not get proper freedom to speak because IT has increased opportunities for pornography, hate speeches, that means bad reviews, intellectual property crimes, and the other institutions preventions may abridge free speech. IT professionalism, no mandatory or enforced code of ethics. Hardly IT professionals are following any code of ethics, whereas code of ethics are there available for all types of professionals, unlike other professionals. Social inequality. Less than 20% of the world's population have ever used a PC. This is a big question. Less than 3% have internet access. That means people do not have accessibility to the latest technology. It has become very easy these days because internet and technology is accessible via mobile, and everybody is carrying a mobile as an essential of their lifestyle. So this was all about basics of information, data and information system, its requirements. I wind up my presentation. Thank you very much.